What's up guys, and welcome back to Mass Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a wonderful and beautiful tweak that you should download. This tweak will allow you to customize the keyboard in your device in this beautiful way. This tweak will give you this beautiful animation on the keyboard of your device. It's a very beautiful tweak that I recommend you guys to try. Alright, to download the tweak, first go to Cydia. Now go to the sources here and add this source. After adding the source, go to the search here and search for Pro Keys Tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak will give you a lot of options to customize the keyboard in your device and get beautiful animations on your keyboard, as well as change the colors of the keyboard and more. Alright, all you have to do is just install the tweak. Click Modify, Install, Confirm. I installed the tweak, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the Settings, scroll down and search for the tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Alright, the first thing you will do here is activate the tweak from here. Now, here below you will find three options to customize your keyboard. The first is physical clicks, and here you will find some useful physical options for the keyboard. The second option is the color and styles, and from here you can enable the class keys or the flat keys, and also you can customize and modify the colors of the keyboard the way you want. There are several useful options for customizing the look and the color of the keyboard. The third and final option here is animation, and from here guys you can get a beautiful animation when typing on the keyboard. You can use bubble animation, halo animation, or firework animation. I use firework animation because it's the best animation for me. From here you can change the size and modify the colors of the keyboard. Of course guys, I recommend you to make it random colors to get a beautiful colorful animation. Alright, now here in demo you can try out the changes that you made. As you see, I'm using firework animation. Alright, I will change the animation to bubble animation. As you see, this is the bubble animation. Alright, now I will change the animation to halo animation. As you see, this is the halo animation. Of course guys, I prefer to use firework animation, and guys, you can change and modify the colors the way you want. This tweak is one of the beautiful and wonderful tweaks that I recommend you to try. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.